Je suis passionnée par notre patrimoine et je voudrais vraiment pouvoir contribuer à sa préservation. What gives me a lot of satisfaction is rebuilding memories in people's homes and transforming concepts into wooden objects. Pour moi, l'authenticité se manifeste à travers des choix de matériaux et de techniques. What I'm inspired by is the Art Deco era, and very particularly a French Art Deco designer called Roman, and you'll see that evidently in my work. And also I overlay that with the idea of the Japanese aesthetic, which they call In Praise of Shadow, and it's an idea of shadow and light, and you'll see that clearly in the work with my choice of very contrasting woods. Je dessine à la main de préférence, ça engage davantage les sens, c'est plus tactile.